What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to give you a high-level overview of VideoMaker FX. Okay, this video, I'm just going to go over the sales page, what the product offers, what you should expect from the product, and then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I have the product. On the next video, I'm going to do a live demonstration on the back office of VideoMaker FX, showing you how it works and how you can use it to grow your business, grow your brand, or do whatever you want to do with VideoMaker FX. Okay, guys? But go ahead and subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss that video and all other content that I'm coming out, teaching you how to create wealth, how to create passive income, and how to just live the life that you want to live financially free, all while I'm doing the same exact thing. Okay, so go ahead, subscribe, hit the red button below me right now, or this way. Me right now, or come to my channel and subscribe, okay? And at any point on this video, if you want to check out VideoMaker FX, check out the first link in the description. It'll take you directly to its sales page so that you can look at the demos for yourself, read through what the course or product is all about and what it would do for you, and to purchase it ultimately, okay? So let's go in VideoMaker FX. Here's the sales page showing you and telling you all about the product, what it offers, why you need it, how to use it, if it's user friendly, and etc. But overall, VideoMaker FX is basically a video creation software. Okay, so think Photoshop, or think I use Filmora to edit my videos, but the advantages the advantages and features that VideoMaker FX has is much more advanced. Okay, but the thing is, it's advanced without having to be too complicated to understand and be able to use. It's very intuitive. So far, I just purchased it today, and I wanted to give this review, high-level review, showing you and telling you about this product. Okay, so VideoMaker FX, it should be your go-to software to create videos. Okay, it creates amazing videos. It creates videos that you can use to engage your audience, to sell a product or promote a product, or wherever you're doing, promote an event or service, whatever you need to make a good video with. VideoMaker FX can do that for you. All right, so I'm just going to go through one of the demos here. So you know how you see videos where someone like myself right now in front of a camera, you know that there's a lot of videos where you do not have to be in front of the camera, right? But how can you make them? How do you make a very good animated video without having to outsource it on Fiverr.com or Upwork, or buy expensive software like Photoshop to do it and take years to learn it and master it? VideoMaker FX simply puts it all together. So here's a demo here of someone who used VideoMaker FX, and here's the video that they created using the software. It's animated. It has a lot of graphics. You can tell that no one is in front of a video, but they're giving their content. They're sharing their information in a great way that is resourceful, that is visually pleasing, but that's also informative. I mean, it has music with it. It has different fonts, different color fonts. Has the image here, a clip art of a woman who's actually blinking her eyes and moving. It's a very good product. Okay, and you can use this product today. Just check out the link in the description. So the maker of this product is at the end here, Peter Rozak. Peter Rozak is a person who created this product. And he seems like a pretty legit guy. I mean, his picture's there. That's one thing you want to make sure when you're checking out new products or looking to see if they're good. You want to, number one, have a founder. You want that founder or creator of that product to show their face, give their name, put their name and their face on that product. Okay, that tells you that it's a pretty good product, because if not, someone can find you, right? So if you are putting a crappy product out there and don't put your face and your name on the image, you can't be tied to that product, right? But if you put your name and face on that image on that product, and it's a crappy product, people are going to put your face to that product and never buy from you again or trust you again. Okay. But VideoMakerFX, it costs $37. Oh, sorry, $27. VideoMakerFX is $27, and I think you get a upsell there for themes. You can add additional 100 to 200 themes for $37. So it's a great product. It's priced reasonably, and you have a 30-day money back guarantee. So you can check it out whenever you want to. VideoMakerFX. Check out the link in the description. If you don't like the product after testing it out and looking at it and see if it's worth your efforts and worth your time, or if it gives you what you need, you can always ask for a refund and get your money back. Okay. So go ahead and check that product out, guys, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel, because my next video I'm going to give you a live demo of VideoMakerFX and kind of make some play around in the system just to show you how user friendly it is and beginner friendly it is. Okay, thanks for watching this video, guys. Kalen Bryan is out, and I will again have that video tomorrow, so subscribe.